What's good, boss chicks? Welcome back to another one. So in today's video, I have a huge Dollar Tree haul. I found me a new Dollar Tree, y'all. And look, they had so much stuff. So let's just hop right into this video. So first up, guys, look, we have stickers. They have stickers in there. These are it says nail stickers, but we're gonna see. There's a total of 50 pieces that comes in here. So we got some nail stickers. This is the Disney Descendants. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff on there. 50 pieces. We're gonna see what we can do with that. I bought a bunch of these eyeshadow pigments. I have been looking for these for a while, but it took me going to a Dollar Tree that they just opened. So yeah, you know what this is all about. This is all about making our own custom acrylics, honey. We're gonna make it happen, okay? I have more stickers. I probably just like cut these out or something like that. There's 96 stickers in here, say 4 sheets. So we'll find something to do with that. Guys, let me just put this box on here because I bought like a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm just gonna move some of this stuff out the way. So this is the box. This is the box that I had bought, these little clear containers. Let me see if I can get you guys zoomed out a little bit. All right. So I bought this little clear container, and it comes with, I know you've seen it in the Dollar Tree. If you don't have a Dollar Tree, I'm so sorry, but please find your Dollar Tree. So these little storage boxes, it's $1. Everything's $1. Like, okay, I'm not gonna stress that, but it's $1. Okay. Makeup sponges, cosmetic wedges that you can use like for your chrome pigments. You can use for ombre, like gel ombres and things like that. So I did get some of those. So like I said, there's a bunch of these loose powders in different colors in this box. I had to open up the permanent markers because they would not fit in the box, so I opened those up. So we have a bunch of permanent markers in here. Oh, they also had, guys, acrylic paint. Now, I'm going to give this a try to paint some nail art and stuff like that. But unfortunately, they only had 3 colors. So these are the only 3 colors that I got. Let me move that out the way. So I also, this don't belong in here. This is my art palette. It came from another, that came from something else. I'll open up these trays as well as like 6 of these, I believe. You get these from the Dollar Tree. So everything in this box came from the Dollar Tree, honey. So this is so that I can do my acrylic paint, and when I'm done with these, I can just throw them away. Because the acrylic paint is probably going to dry out. More of those loose eyeshadow palettes. I don't know if you guys seen it. I posted a picture on my social media account. Also, here's some nail art pens. Don't really know what I'm going to do with these, but we're going to figure it out. Okay. So we got some glitter. They say 3-in-1, so I'm guessing, well, look, it says design, polish, and decorate. So we're going to see what we can do with that. All right. Just got to get creative and let your creativity flow, guys. This is, I don't know what I'm going to do with this color. I just picked it up because I don't have this color in a standard polish. And then there's more like this nude color. And then this is color 619. And this is color 517. So we also have that. I'm trying to find a place on my desk to put this stuff, y'all. I'll just jump to the more nail stickers. It's like a lot of nail stickers, but I had to put them in the box like this so they can fit. So, though, just like those other 96... Oh, well, hell. Wait, what? Oh, there it is. I was like, where does pork go? Okay, so this My Little Pony, the movie, whatever. You know, my girls always like their nails done and stuff like that. So I can do like gel polish, and I can also do some little cute little stickers. So I found My Little Pony. I also found the Shopkins, and Cece is in love with Shopkins. I don't know if she's seen these yet, but I know that when she sees them, she probably is going to freak out. So I'll have to come up with something for that. So just like those Descendants stickers, they had Princess. Oh, wait, why did I say Princess? Isn't this a Little Mermaid? Okay, but they got the Little Mermaid, Cinderella. Oh, okay, all of them. Okay. Something from each one of them. But look at those butterflies, guys. I didn't even see those. I just picked it up. Sometimes you don't even be looking. And then they have trolls. So, yeah, we can figure this out. There's something that we can definitely do with those nail art stickers. I don't know what I'm going to do with this just yet. I just got it because, you know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I wanted to be sure I picked this up. I'll probably, I don't know. We'll figure it out. This is like my nail art box. They also had some of these soak off caps. So they had some soak off caps. I picked those up as well. And honey, look, they even had a nail polish holder. So you can hold your nail polish. I don't know why I bought that because I'm pretty used to just holding the nail polish right here. When I'm holding my client's hand, I hold their hands like this. And then I put the nail polish in between there and I kind of work like that. I just picked it up. Also, I found some Art Deco. These are the only two colors I was kind of interested in. Wasn't much of nothing anything, but this black, as you can see, has the name up there. So the black, you can always use black for line art. And it says that it has a precision point tip on it. So we're going to try that out. And then I also got the popping pink. So guys, look at all this stuff. I got to figure out how to get it back in here. But this is all the stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree. Oh, you guys are definitely going to be seeing a lot more of this stuff in upcoming videos to come. So, like, I'm going to, like, try to just, like, throw all this stuff back in here because I like to keep it neat. This is what I did to this little box. So, this is the little container. And then I took my label maker and put that on there. So, that's what we have. So, stay tuned. There definitely will be more nail art tutorials coming, DIYs, and things like that. Remember last time I told you guys I have some exciting news coming up in the next couple of weeks. Stay tuned, guys. There's a lot going on with the channel and all of that. But be sure to, up in the left-hand corner, be sure to follow me on my social accounts because I normally post there. I also have a Facebook page, links to my social sites, as well as anything that you see in the video. If there is a link to it, it will be listed in the description box below. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed. What's good, Tim?